Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ona Mukhotsi. If you subscribed, thank you very much. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, what's your problem? What did I do to you? I mean, subscribing is free. Anyway, guys, it's a vlog day. No, it's a vlog week because I'm traveling to the farm and I'll be there for like a week. So I might have to cut it in two cause I agree. The festivities tsa ko Morakeng di monate. So let's go.
Tapiwa, what is this? What is this? I'm asking. Bring it up.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Wanneer?
COVID.
COVID.
Pas COVID. Dat is die manier. Dat is aan een van kan op de mensen dat niet allemaal.
Ik heb vanochtend eetgebabels gereden. Kom ons bed. 500, 500.
Daar staan.
Morning, guys. I'm at the village. I'm not home. I did my friend's place because yesterday I came a bit late, so I couldn't go to the cattle post. So, and since there's a funeral, I'll be going to the funeral, and then after that, the festivities will start. Kinayo. Okay, so let's go. Hello, sorry, Mara. Mami lo Kima! Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, I'm at the farm and it's like past midnight, past 12. So my younger sister is here, my younger brother, and then the friends from the neighboring cattle post are here. So people are still singing at this time of the night. I switched off the camera because I didn't want them to see me. So let's see if you can see something outside. By the fire, please imagine. The fire is even dead. This is my first time hearing my little brother sing. Imagine. You are. No, that one with the funny voice is my sister. Okay. Anyway, guys, this is our house at the cattle post. This is the sitting room. And I'm going back to bed though. Okay. Bari. Ore. Ke ba phamola mme kana ga ke batle ba bona gore ke ba phamola ba ka gotla go bela. Ba ga ke itse. Yeah, good morning guys. I haven't been vlogging for the past days because I don't know. I was just lazy. In any way, I'm in the house. I just woke up. It's 2:08, I think. So yeah, let's see what's planned for the day. Moro zebi? Moro zebile? Moro zebi? Moro nana? Moro le? Hey tepisho. Moro. Moro babaki? Molo. Molo zebile? Okay. That was Tepisho, my little brother's baby. This is my sister who doesn't stay here. baby, because my sister came with me yesterday. Let's go see what's going on. This is the kitchen. Maywa. Good. Ay so, or no buti la ore buruki ambe. Since di hamad ay. Prodo. The smell, your sister.
Aye, Tati.
Sister, gimana? Aku lagi aku dum kwa. Asa chori ka kiro chori asa ko dum kwa. Kiri tas ngai.
Ay, ne.
Khaba. Akala ito ko ka jawaban. Hey guys, I couldn't vlog the whole week because it was very busy. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Till next time. Oh, I want to sleep. Shit.